The sponge applicator tools from Rainbow Splash are a versatile tool that can be used with inks and other mediums to gently apply a soft coverage that is easy to blend. These tools come in a pack of 4, which is especially convenient if you want to have a sponge for all of your different ink colors or mediums. To use the brush, you simply hold the handle and gently tap the applicator onto your project. If you're working through a stencil, you'll want to make sure not to drag the sponge against it to prevent tearing the sponge material. Always tap up and down on your project. This will help make sure that you don't overstress the sponge. You can also use these to color your die cuts. Because you're working in a tapping motion, you won't end up bending your die cuts as you color them, and you'll have a beautifully blended color across your piece. In addition to inks, you can use paints and other wet mediums with the sponge applicators. This tool makes adding mediums to your project and through stencils so easy. You can leave ink on the sponge applicators for extended periods, but if you're going to use them with paints and other mediums, you'll definitely want to make sure to clean the sponge after use. Simply use a bit of warm water and gently squeeze the sponge as you rinse it to make sure that all of the medium has been released from the sponge. These handy little applicators are a great addition to your crafting supplies. You can find these Rainbow Splash sponge applicators exclusively at our Simon Says Stamp store. There are links below in the video description for you to easily find them. I want to thank you so much for watching this quick tip video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future quick tips, and I hope you have a fabulous day.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.